Hi everyone, it's me, BS Criminology, Lovely Lapini. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate the proper wearing of the following protective gear to ensure safety before starting an experiment. Let's begin first in wearing the lab gown. Make sure to put your hands and arms first into the sleeves, then close the buttons. The lab coat or apron shields your clothing and skin from chemical spills, stains, and splashes. Once your gown is settled, now, let's proceed to the face mask. All you have to do is to make sure that the colored part of the face mask is facing against your face. Then put the loops of the face mask over your ears. The face mask prevents the inhalation of dust, fumes, or chemical vapors, especially when working with powders or volatile substances. Next is the safety goggles. Place it over your eyes and you're good to go. The safety goggles protect the eyes from chemical splashes, flying debris, or accidental spills. After that, let's proceed to the gloves. Just place the gloves onto your both hands. The gloves will protect your hands from chemical stains and other potential harmful substances. Then lastly, is the cup or disposable cups. Open the cups, then put it all over your head or cover your entire hair. It prevents hair contact with chemical, flames, or equipment. So, in experimenting, we should always consider safety first at all times to avoid unwanted complications. So, we have 13 safety rules for self-guided experiments. These are the following. So, number 1. Understand the experiment. Read and fully understand the experiment's instruction before starting. Make sure you are aware of any potential hazard associated with the materials and procedures. Number 2. Use the proper protective equipment. Always wear appropriate protective gear such as safety goggles, gloves, and apron to protect yourself from potential splashes, spills, or other hazards. Number 3. Choose a safe workplace. Conduct experiments in a well-ventilated, well-lit area away from food, pets, and small children. Ensure that the workplace is clear of any unnecessary items to avoid accidents. Number 4. Handle materials with care. Be cautious when handling chemicals, heat sources, or sharp objects. Always use correct tools and equipment for tasks and follow the instructions precisely. Number 5. Never work alone. If possible, have someone nearby who can assist in case of an emergency. If conducting an experiment that involves potential risk, ensure adult supervision or a peer to help monitor the process. Number 6. Avoid ingestion and inhalation. Never taste, eat, or drink any substances involved in the experiment. Avoid inhaling fumes by working in a well-ventilated area and using a mask if necessary. Number 7. Keep a first aid kit nearby. Have a basic first aid kit accessible in case of minor injuries, such as cuts or burns. Know basic first aid kit procedures for dealing with chemical exposure or other incidents. Number 8. Clean up immediately. Clean up spills and dispose of waste materials properly as soon as the experiment is finished. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water after handling any experiment's materials. Number 9. Avoid open flames. If the experiment involves heat, use alternatives like a hot plate instead of open flames whenever possible. Keep flammable materials away from heat sources. Number 10. Store materials safely. Store all experiment materials, especially chemicals, out of reach of children and pets. Keep them in the original containers with labels intact. Number 11. Know emergency procedures. Be aware of what to do in case of an accident, such as chemical spills, burns, or other injuries. Have emergency contact number readily available. Number 12. Stay focused and attentive. Stay alert and focused while conducting the experiment. Avoid distraction and never leave the experiment unattended, especially if it involves heat or reaction. And last, number 13, seek help if unsure. If you are uncertain about any parts of the experiment, stop and seek assistance from a teacher, supervisor, or knowledgeable adult before proceeding. Reminder, Safety is the top priority in any self-guided experiment. Always follow these rules to ensure a safe and successful learning experience. Once again, this is BS Criminology, Lovely Lapinig, leaving you as saying that success will always be with you as long as you place safety as the first priority. Thank you, God bless, and have a good day.